Anyway, I was wondering, I just accidentally hit a button on this phone, and what I did today was, after I got the phone set up, is I had to go in and put all my passwords in and set everything back up again the way I like it, and transfer all of my favorite apps from the app section onto different pages on the main screen, so they're easier to get to. And then I was just sitting there feeling real kind of grubby, so my hair was growing like wildfire. I was starting to look like a hippie, so I got out my electric clippers and I gave myself a haircut, and came out pretty darn good. I mean, I took my time, and I did a nice job of cutting it. So it took about half an inch off all the way around, and I still got my same hairstyle. I didn't beeze my head or anything like that, so came out good. Anyway, moving on through here. Yeah, I got lettuce coming up, just doing great. All of the mulberries. I wished I'd have gotten these in here sooner, so that the trees that had mulberries on them would still have mulberries on them instead of the birds eating them. But yeah, my radishes are coming up big here. I'm going to be eating radish hairs pretty soon. And my cilantro is going to seed. There's a bunch of coriander seed on this thing. So I'll let it get a little bit bigger, let it grow some more seed here. And then as it starts drying out, I'll package some of those up so I can replant them as soon as it cools down a little bit. Cilantro does not like the heat. And speaking of heat, I was checking the weather report a little while ago, and they were saying that the weather for this week is predicting Wednesday and Thursday in triple digits. So it's going to get warm. But look at the nice heads of cabbage here. Yeah, they're looking really good. Some of them I've been plucking leaves off and using them to feed the chickens. And I think I plucked a few too many off of this one because it just started forming a head down in the bottom. But it's still growing strong. I did plant some more cauliflower over there. I had to water that and see what's happening. My watermelon here is doing pretty good. This one's not going to make it, so get him out of there. And put him down here in the worm farm. All right. So, just wanted to get this video taken care of before I got too late, because I'm not too sure about this phone and how it's going to work out. I don't have stabilization settings on this camera on this, but it is a 13 megapixel camera, so it should be a little clearer than the video I shot yesterday. Although, as you can see, it jitters when I walk, and on the Samsung it has stabilization, so that takes that out of there while I'm moving around. Anyway, I'm ready now that got all this problem settled decently, and I will be going into town and getting my flooring for this room, and get the flooring in there and get the moldings on, and that room is done. And then I can move on and get the next project taken care of. All right, everybody. This is G-Bear reminding you, give me a thumbs up down there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't want to miss out on upcoming events. Don't forget to click notifications when you subscribe. So that's a little bell icon. That'll notify you every time I post a new video. G-Bear signing off.